Well, folks, this is a call out to all the folks in South East Queensland. Colony Life is on the move again after the COVID situation, which has really put a bit of a cramp on everybody. But we're heading up there to film again. And if you'd like to be on the Colony Life series, I think it's an absolute must. You only have to look at the testimonials from people that have been on Colony Life to see how fabulously well it's done for them. And in the event of what's been going on, Colony Life has been selected to go to the moon as well. Our series is going up in a codex, in a time capsule, so you can see how far and wide it's actually spread. We're in 50 countries now. And as I said, go and have a look at the testimonials if you don't take our word for it, and you'll see what's actually going on. If you don't have video in your portfolio and on your website, it's going to be extremely difficult for you to get people in these days. The actual field of promoting art has changed a great deal over the last 10 or 20 years, and we are part and parcel of making this actually work for you guys and putting you out there so that the rest of the people can actually see who you are across the world. So come in, have a talk to us. There's no obligation whatsoever. Find out what we do, and hopefully we'll see you in your studio at some stage and we'll come up and film you. All the best, guys.